I'm your host, Knight Jackson, and today we're going to be talking about something that I like to call magnetism. Is a property of a magnet that allows a magnet to attract or repel certain objects. We will be learning what happens when two or more magnets interact with each other, how to detect a magnet field, and what happens to the force of attraction and repulsion between magnets when the distance between them changes. Let's jump right in. So here, I have some ordinary donut magnets. As you can see, they attract to each other because they are opposite poles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens when two or more magnets interact with each other. So I'm going to have one on the ground, or on the ping pong table, and one in my hand, and I'm going to move them closer until they attract. Okay, so I'm going to see how far it takes with only one magnet to get to attract that. So I'm going to move it closer, and it attracted about 3/4 of the way with the magnet on the table. Now, we're going to do the same experiment, but with more magnets. Okay, so I'm going to lower it, and now, oops, hold up. See how it goes? A lot more up on the bottom, on the magnet that we're measuring with. So, as you can see, there's definitely more power with more magnets than there is with just one. So here we are going to demonstrate how to find a magnetic field. Okay, so first, you have your donut magnet, and you have your paper plate with iron filings. So, you're going to stick the magnet under the plate. And as you can see, the iron filings are attracted to it. As you move it around, the circle is the length of its magnetic field. And so that is how you find it. Last but not least, I'll be explaining what happens to the force of attraction or repulsion to the distance as the distance between the magnets changes. Okay, see, we have our pencil here. We have a magnet at the base. So now, if we take a magnet, it was the same pose, and we keep adding it layer on layer, you can see the bottom magnet gets a little bit closer to the base magnet. That is because this magnet has to work harder because it's holding up two magnets instead of just one. So that means the magnetic field is stronger here than these. Okay, so our magnets. And so when you move them close enough together, they attract. But as you pull them away, the force of attraction gets weaker until they just don't attract anymore. But if you add more magnet, the force of attraction is greater, meaning they can go from a longer distance until it doesn't attract anymore. That's all for this episode. Hope you enjoyed magnetism.
You can see here we have a Nate Jackson in his natural habitat with a magnet.
And today we're going to be talking about something called